Did you know that there are companies out here hiring mock jurors to review cases from home? Yeah, there really is. And not only are they reviewing cases, they are giving feedback and being paid up to $700 per case. Isn't that amazing? And you're wondering, well, what's the catch? What's the purpose? Well, the purpose is to help trial attorneys figure out if they have winning cases and if these cases should actually be taken to trial. So you serve as a mock juror to give your feedback and let those trial attorneys know what you think. So if you're interested in becoming a mock juror, I'm going to tell you about a few websites that are hiring mock jurors now. Stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, the first website is called CEB Jury and Trial Consultants. Okay, so we're going to come over here to sign up to participants. You're going to land on a page called Research Projects. Sign up to participate in research projects, which is a mock juror. You're going to fill in the requested information. It's pretty simple, straightforward. It's about yourself. And then after you fill it in, you're going to click Submit Form. CEB pays $36 an hour. The second website we're going to look at is called Online Verdict, and we are on the juror sign-up page. Now, by completing the following form, you're adding yourself to their database. When an opportunity is scheduled in your area, they will contact you via email, text, or phone. It's 100% optional to participate. They do not sell or share your contact information. So basically, this form is self-explanatory. You're going to fill in all the information about yourself, and then you're going to click register. Now, I did a little digging to find out how much Online Verdict pays. They pay between $200 to $700 per case, depending on the length of the case. The third website we're looking at is GT Research. And to become a mock juror, basically the requirements are the same. You're going to answer a bunch of questions like you saw on the other websites. Now, I want to point out here's the sign up button, and that's where you'll probably fill in all the information. But it says sign up now to start earning up to $150 per session, meaning that number probably can move up or down. Let's scroll down and look at the requirements a little bit. It is work from home, and they use a Zoom platform. So if you have Zoom, you're all good to go. If not, you can download it for free. You can earn up to $150 per session. Get paid for your time and opinions, and get paid quickly after your session. $150 a day for specialty demographics and $135 per day for standard groups. Now, no experience is required. You will have no homework or no preparation required. Just show up, give your opinions, and be yourself. The fourth website is Advanced Resolution Management, and we are on their mock juror application page. So they say, we understand that you're interested in serving as a juror on a mock trial and focus group at Advanced Resolution Management. Please complete the jury questionnaire below. It's important that you answer all of these questions to the best of your ability. So let's scroll down. It's basic information about yourself. Pretty self-explanatory. You're going to fill, it's pretty long, but it's not complicated, straightforward. And then after you fill in the information, you're going to click I have read and agree with the above statement and click the submit button. Now, I did a little digging on them, and they pay between $150 to $300 per case. The fifth website is JurySignup.com. Earn additional money. They want to hear from you. Apply now. So let's scroll down a little bit to get some information. Sign up as a juror for legal focus groups and summary trials. Earn additional money listening to real legal cases and deciding the issues like you would if called for jury service. If selected, you will hear summary presentations by skilled attorneys about both sides of the case. Sessions typically last 6 to 8 hours and are held on a weekend, weeknight after work, or sometimes during the weekday. Your thoughts and decisions matter. Wow, that's a long time. Scroll down. To be eligible to serve, you can read through this. Complete the fields below. So you're basically going to complete the information and tell them about yourself. Now, payment varies by project. You will typically be paid at least $100 for your time. So $100 based on what amount of time, it's not clear, but seems like there's a lot of money that can be made here, especially if you're expected to sit for 8 hours. Here's the jury sign up form. It's pretty self-explanatory. And you'll come down, fill in the information, click next. I'm not really doing this, so I might get an error. Oh, no. No, come down. Second page, next. 3 pages. And then you're going to hit the submit button after you fill it all in. And that is JurySignup.com.